Yes, happy Tuesday.
I'm on my way to an island and I'm popping shit at the pilot. Fly it on.
I am going to the gym to do an upper body workout, and I never put upper body workouts on my channel. Some triceps, biceps, probably work on chest.
This deadline has nothing to do with me except for one thing. So that's okay. Perfect. Still using your triceps, you're still using your chest, but he's hitting the upper part of your chest, where on the regular bench, we hit our main chest and our labors. Right here, we're getting straight upper chest. Yeah, that's all. Your elbows are in a little too much. 12, 13, 14. My personal is this is your keep the power and speed. But there's some people that and I think I got it. I don't know.
Arm, upper body workout complete. Today's supposed to be like 60 something, so is tomorrow. Wish I could just stay at the gym, but that's an arm workout. I hope that you enjoyed it. I did chest stuff, which is gonna help lift. Also, I need to get a better sports bra. Like, what? I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video.